Where to find the battery share feature and how to use it. This is for the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro phone, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is have this feature readily available as a quick toggle. And in order to do this, use the quick panel access, pull it down 2 times until you see the pencil little edit icon here. Tap on that 1 time. And from here on now, you want to go down to the part that says hold and drag to add tiles, this option right here, okay? So once you're here now, you're going down, and anything under this section here, that would be the battery share is what you're looking for, this one right here. So go ahead and long press it and just bring it up to the top area here as part of the quick toggles. You can place it anywhere you decide to. Once it's there, back out of here. And now let's just say you're ready to use this feature. You can use your quick panel access here. You'll look for battery share, and you'll see it right there, okay? So single tapping it will turn it on, or you can go ahead and long press it to get access to some more settings here. So you can choose to turn it on now, and you can adjust the amount of battery percentage that it will stop working when it reaches that. So you can adjust it here. And let's just say I wanted to stop using battery share when my phone reaches 25%. You can set it to that. And you also have turn on automatically for a short period of time when your phone is actually plugged into a charger. If you want that feature enabled, go for it, okay? So now that this is all set and ready to use here, what I'm gonna do is simply just turn my phone here on the side here, and we're gonna try it out on a non-Google product. So this is the Galaxy Buds Live here, and you can see that the light does turn on, meaning that it's charging, okay? I'll take it out here again, and you wanna place it just about this distance here, that amount of space from the camera to the where the earbuds is, okay? So too close will not work. It has to be in right where the G is. You see that G right there? It has to be right on that. And it's going to charge. And of course, you'll only want to use this when you really need to, as it does drain the battery a lot faster for your Pixel phone itself and makes the phone hot too as well. So just use it when you really need to, okay? And that is that, my friends. Like and sub. You can always come back and turn off this feature when you're ready using the quick toggle or right from here.